Every journey begins at Terminal 2. And now, seated on the plane, there's only one thing left to do. Take off. Next stop, Rojas City. It is 4:30 a.m. The world is still wrapped in darkness, quiet and calm. The sky hasn't fully awakened yet, just a faint hint of light beginning to rise. But soon, everything will change. And just like that, we're off the ground. The engines roar, the runway fades, and now we are in the air. The plane slowly climbs higher, lifting us away from everything below.
Kindly use the lavatories designated for your section. Tampering with the lavatory.
From up here, everything feels calm, steady, almost within reach. In just a few moments, we'll begin our descent, preparing to land at Rojas City Airport. Finally, a moment to call it a vacation. Grateful for this opportunity, even if it came with only a little time. The days may be short, but I'll make the most of every second. The scenery here in Rojas Province is simply beautiful. Simple homes stand quietly, surrounded by nature, where life feels slower, calmer, more real. Everywhere you look, it's green, fresh, peaceful, and full of life. And just like that, the wheels touch down. A gentle thud on the runway, a signal that the journey is complete. The plane I boarded has finally landed, and with it, a quiet sense of excitement begins to grow. Because this isn't just an arrival, it's a return.
Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Rojas. Time now is 29 minutes.
A return to familiar tastes, to fresh flavors I've missed. In the city, it's always the same chicken on repeat. Sometimes pork and fish that feels ordinary. But here, it's different. Thanks for watching.